All right, what's up? So listen, have you noticed a shortage in diet sodas? You notice that diet sodas are disappearing off the shelves? Well, if you want to hear why the diet sodas are disappearing, I'm going to tell you why. I got the story right here. So let's go check it out.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. This way, next time I come out with a video, and a thumbs up from everybody always helps. I appreciate you all. Appreciate everybody who subscribed already. Appreciate everybody thumbs up. Your comments are definitely welcome. And if you don't know it already, you comment. I will definitely get back to you. I have no problem with that. So today, what story I got? I got a story about diet sodas and they're disappearing. You're not seeing them anymore. Let me know if you see them disappearing, what's happening to them, where they're going, what's going on with the diet soda situation. Well, I got the story right here, and I'm going to tell you about it. So here it is. Diet soda is disappearing from store shelves. As you make your way through the soda aisle, you may notice a lot less of the word diet than you used to see. That's because some diet sodas are disappearing, or at least the packaging is gone. Instead, you'll find those beverages under their new branding, Zero Sugar. So they really changed the name diet to Zero Sugar. That's because some diet sodas are disappearing, or at least the packaging is gone. Zero Sugar has replaced diet for many no-calorie soft drinks. Canada Dry and Schweppes ginger ales, 7-Up, A&W, and Sunkist, made by Kruger, Dr. Pepper, now label their diet drinks Zero Sugar. So that's what you're going to hear now, Zero Sugar, or you're going to see now, Zero Sugar instead of that. Well, the reason for the overhaul, the word diet has fallen out of fashion, especially for millennials and Gen Zers. So, yeah, so they're going to like Zero Sugar. One exception is the namesake Dr. Pepper brand, which will still come in diet packaging in addition to a different Zero Sugar version. So, yeah, it looks like Canada Dry, Schweppes ginger ale, 7-Up, A&W, Sunkist. Now the labels will say Zero Sugar, except for Dr. Pepper, which is going to say diet too. It says here that younger people just don't like the word diet. They just don't like the word diet. It says they don't like the word diet, says Greg Lyons, Chief Marketing Officer at PepsiCo Beverages North America, during the Beverage Digest Future Smarts Conference in December. Pepsi rebranded Pepsi Max as Pepsi Zero Sugar in 2016 and has been investing in its Zero Sugar offering over the past few years. No Generation Z wants to be on a diet these days, he said, adding that the company is going to continue to innovate and support that business. But this taste for the word diet doesn't signal an aversion to no-calorie beverages. The diet soda segment, which includes diet and zero-calorie brand drinks, has ballooned since it first hit the mainstream in the 1960s. In 2020, U.S. retail diet carbonated soft drink market hit $11.2 billion, according to Mintel, a market research company. Evolving attitudes toward dieting as a concept means soda makers have to de-emphasize diet branding as they stream ahead with Zero Sugar offering, even when, as in the case of those brands owned by Dr. Pepper, they're selling the same exact drink. The tactic could help soda makers bring more consumers, especially younger ones, into the fold. The industry needs those consumers, those customers, if it wants to grow the soda market. So basically, they're trying to trick you. You know, it's still a diet soda, but they're putting zero on it. Zero what? Still got calories. It's just not, it's a diet drink. Here's a little, I don't want to call it trivia, whatever, but the birth of diet colas. Diet drinks first became popular in the 1960s. Diet Right, a no-calorie drink from the soda maker Royal Crown Cola, was launched in 1958 as an option for diabetics and other consumers who needed to limit their sugar intake. It was first stocked among medicines rather than soft drinks, but focus soon shifted to the growing number of weight loss dieters nationwide. Diet Right was a hit, prompting Coca-Cola to introduce Tab. You guys remember Tab? In 1963, and Pepsi to start selling Diet Pepsi a year later. So that's how far back it goes. And like I say, in the early 1958, they came out with that Diet Right. And then all of a sudden, 63, Tab. You know, I remember Tab, you know, not back in 63, but, you know, I think that was big back then, you know. The segment gained steam in the following years, looking to expand beyond Tab. Coca-Cola launched Diet Coke in 1982. So you see, it goes pretty far back, you know. But yeah, I guess, you know, it's almost like they're trying to trick people, or they're trying to, you know, they're trying to trick you. They're just using different words, you know. Instead of using diet, they're using zero. So check it out. You know, if you don't see diet no more, it's still there. It's just now zero. If you're a big diet drinker, you know, you drink a lot of diet soda, don't worry. The diet soda is still there. It's just under a different name. So just another thing to think about, you know. Check it out. Look in your stores, see what's happening. See if you notice it. Let me know if you see things changing. I noticed a lot of zero things out there, you know, Diet Zero. Not Diet Zero, like Coke Zero, Pepsi Zero. It's all new. I thought it was a different drink to myself, but now I realize it's just diet soda, just being called Zero. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you see it out there. Let me know if you drink diet soda. All right. And once again, don't forget, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it. Appreciate all your comments. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you again soon. I'm out of here. Take care.